to your All Aboard Blake's Trades and More. Today, if you remember in previous videos, now we know that our Bachmann is working. We're going to fix up the layout and make it look spotless. Now, my other layout looks great. Now we want to let this one look even better. And it's a smaller space.
I remember this, Mr. Piggy. He was one of your summer reading prizes.
Yes, he was. Yes, he was.
Oh, you want to get those little tools? That looks messy. And I'll put them in the toolkit.
Yes. And Percy is busted for my dad.
Yeah, we still couldn't get Percy. I hear something rattling in them. Ooh, yeah, that doesn't sound good.
Yeah.
Something busted on them.
Yeah, I don't know what.
Neither.
Now we're gonna decorate this for Easter. Now let's get started and make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that little bell icon. Our first little object is this guy.
So some dinosaurs.
Focus. There.
So you're gonna have like a dinosaur area.
I had that in my other layout that I made out of this. But I'm probably not going to do that this time. Because I don't want to.
Okay.
I don't want to do that
Maybe we
this
could have
time.
sort of a winter area.
Yeah.
Like with all your winter stuff. Like the snowman.
Yeah.
And the little coffee shop
Yes.
and whatnot. And the Christmas trees there.
Yes. And then this little guy is going to go right there. And this little guy is going to go right there.
Good.
I think that I'm going to go ahead and just pour the eggs in.
Oh, okay.
This and all the eggs.
I forgot what this piece is.
Now, pulling it over.
Oh, there was one that had a butterfly on it.
Yeah. Okay. I'm just letting them out. One of them's gonna go.
I forgot what this piece is for.
Just for decoration.
Gotcha.
Just.
And a globe.
That's technically the station. And then.
Those trees just don't want to stay up.
Yeah. And then. How many minutes has it been?
3.5.
Okay. And I'm gonna try to make. And when y'all are probably gonna be seeing this is probably if you stay up late, you
might load it up today. It might be up there by tonight.
Yeah. And then
Okay, what about this area with all the Peppa Pig characters? Is that gonna stay? Okay.
And we've got 2 more eggs. These 2 eggs are last.
Oh, there's. Oh, okay. Where's that butterfly one?
And this one is.
Oh, there it is.
That one's gonna go right there, and that one's gonna go right there.
Cool.
Are you filming?
Mhm.
And then by the way, and this was my school icon, and I got this little peep wing in it.
It's very cute.
Yes. Oh, and by the way, today I passed my testing, and I won a special award, and I moved around level 2, and I got the top score for all roundouts. And I'm sure that you're wondering if
I'm very proud of that.
If that means like even the youth and adults, all those people. I got the highest score at testing for my, and I was even at level 1.
That was super good.
Yeah. It's very surprising at a level 1. This guy does not want to stay up.
Neither does Freddy the Fox.
And I have to let this guy lean against something.
That's a good idea.
He's not leaning.
Let's see. Oh, that. Maybe put him in the truck.
No, now it's working.
Oh, okay.
And then this guy's gonna go right there. And then this guy's gonna go right there.
Okay.
And then this guy is gonna go right there.
Oh, yeah.
And then we still got more. Little Batman dude here is gonna go right there. And this guy is gonna go right there. And Donald Duckling is gonna go right there. And this guy is gonna go right here. And if you are seeing this in like tomorrow, I hope everybody has a happy Easter, and I am going to be posting tomorrow, maybe more than one video. You'll see. And then this guy is going to go right there, and then this guy is going to go right there.
Not the dinosaurs. Hey, can I put Mommy Pig in the car? She's just laying there.
Yeah, sure. Mom Pig's gonna be driving the car.
There you go.
And then this little snake
Oh, that's cool.
is gonna go right there. And then Aquaman is gonna go right there.
Wow, in the truck.
And this little gadget from Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Oh, that's the fun silly switch.
Yeah, that's gonna go right there. Oh no, one of the tracks.
What's this little purple thing? Oh, he's a
Fell-
little superhero. Oh, he's a soldier.
One of the tracks fell.
Oh, came on snapped.
Yeah. I had to fix that. And then these 3 DC characters.
We got Flash, Superman, and I don't know who that silver guy is.
Yeah, I don't watch DC. And then this guy's gonna go right there, and then this guy's gonna go right here, Superman. And then, how many minutes has it been?
8.
And then this guy.
No, maybe some of these track pieces we don't use, we could tuck underneath.
And this guy is going to go right there.
He's cute. Hey, look at this guy.
And this guy, focus, is going to go right there. And
Oh, you got some nice looking rocks. I think we got those at the coin center.
and this guy is going to go right here.
Brontosaurus, I think.
Do you think it's looking better?
I think it is looking much better.
And this guy is going to go right there. And this little car dude is going to go right there. And this.
What about over on this area? There's kind of sparse.
And then this guy is going to go right there.
Yeah.
Now let's run them.
All right.
How many minutes has it been?
9.
Oh. I'm going to do one. And
Oh,
one
I'm
more
gonna...
and you'll play for the part show. Okay, he's moving.
Come through the tunnel.
Yes. And he's off.
Running nicely.
Yes. He's going. He's going.
Good.
Yeah.
I can't believe you can pull that many cars with
Now I'm gonna
George and George's twin.
I'm gonna take my wing off so you can get a better view of it.
I just now realize it's a peep.
Yes, and now I'm gonna go do my form.
Oh, okay.
Oh no!
What happened?
Another thing came undone.
Uh-oh.
I think it's coming undone from me walking on it.
Maybe. It's snapped together.
Yes.
You could put Goofy in there.
Goofy and where?
He's right behind you.
Oh, Goofy. He's gonna go right there.
Yeah. Gotta have the goof. Oh, does he stand up? There he goes.
I'm gonna go do my form.
Okay. I'm gonna do it from this angle. This will be a different.
I'm gonna shut the door and turn on the lights.
Your form on your count. Begin.
If I were you, I would go.
Then go on the end. Okay, no, don't yell too loud because Daddy's taking a nap. Okay, hang on. Your form on your count. Begin. Back to Chungmi.
That was it for y'all. Bye-bye.